On this Silverado diesel, P0741 is a torque converter clutch system fault. In plain terms, the truck may be seeing the converter clutch not behave the way the control system expects. The driver may notice abnormal converter feel, shift, or lockup complaints. Some transmission-related features may be limited, or the check engine light may be on. Broadly, this can involve fluid level or condition, a hydraulic or mechanical issue in the TCC control side, possible low line pressure when multiple solenoids stuck-off faults show up together, or related transmission control concerns. Start with the basic system checks, follow a structured diagnostic approach, and make sure you are working in the correct diagnostic category before getting deep into the transmission. The first target-specific check is simple. Verify there is not an incorrect transmission fluid level or fluid condition. If the fluid level or condition is wrong, correct that before moving on. This matters because this code path is treated as a hydraulic or mechanical concern, and the diagnostic order is built from the least intrusive checks toward the more intrusive work. If the fluid level and condition check does not show a problem, put the ignition on with the vehicle in service mode. Clear the DTCs and road test the vehicle. After the road test, do not jump straight to the converter. Check whether any companion transmission codes in the same diagnostic group came back. If they did, check what they mean first, instead of treating P0741 by itself. Next, verify that no code from the same descriptor category is set. If another code in that category is present, stop and work that fault path first. If none are set, move on to reproducing the operating conditions for P0741. The point here is to make sure you are not chasing the torque converter clutch symptom while another transmission fault is steering the diagnosis. Now, reproduce the operating conditions for the P0741 monitor, or match the captured conditions from the vehicle data if you have them. The monitor gate for P0741 includes accelerator pedal position 0 to 100%, battery voltage greater than 9 volts, engine speed greater than 499 RPM, engine torque greater than 4 Newton meters, about 3 pound-feet, ignition voltage greater than 9 volts, and transmission fluid temperature -6 to 130 degrees Celsius, 21 to 266 degrees Fahrenheit. For the target code, the setting condition is tied to the torque converter clutch control valve being stuck on. So keep the test focused on the TCC hydraulic and mechanical behavior shown by the vehicle. After running the monitor conditions, check the descriptor category again. If a code in that category sets, continue down that fault information path and verify the listed conditions do not exist. If no code in that category resets, the diagnostic result is all okay for this pass. Keep this category check separate from final repair verification, so you know whether the fault actually returned under the right conditions. Once the repair work is complete, verify the repair and confirm the code stays gone. If the diagnostic path calls for deeper TCC work, torque converter diagnosis is the supported next area. If the repair involves the Q77 transmission control solenoid valve, complete its characterization programming. After any repair, perform the transmission service fast learn procedure. The takeaway is to handle P0741 in order: basic checks, fluid level and condition, clear and road test, screen for companion transmission faults, reproduce the monitor conditions, then verify the repair cleanly. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.